Hello guys, welcome to Tag Team channel. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you make a group chat. So you can make group chat in various platforms just like your messages option, your WhatsApp, your Messenger, many social media apps. I'm going to show you how to make a group chat in your messages and your WhatsApp. So at first just go to your messages. Now to make a group chat, at first click on start chat in the bottom right. Now here you can see create group, click on it. Now just select the numbers for the group, just like I'm selecting these two numbers and clicking next. Now you need to just give a group name and click on done. By this you can just make a group in messages. Now for the second step, how you can make a group in WhatsApp. So at first launch WhatsApp. Now in your WhatsApp, click the top right three dot icon and here you can see new group option, the first one, click on it. Now just select the members for the group, just like I'm selecting these two, and click the bottom right this arrow icon. Now all you need to do is just give a group name and you can just add a picture by clicking this picture icon, and by clicking this tick icon you can just make this group in WhatsApp. So guys, that's how you can make group in WhatsApp and messages. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tag Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.